What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Treese. I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Melanin hair care. Oh my god. Okay, so I went to two different Ultas to find what I was looking for. What I was looking for was the shampoo. Okay, when I went to one Ulta by my house, they ain't had nothing. Everything was gone. Okay, boom. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna play it smart. I'm gonna go ahead and call ahead of time. I went to another Ulta and I called ahead of time. I was like, do you have the African black soap? Because the only thing I was missing was the African black soap. I was like, do you have the African black soap? And she was like, yes, we only have 2 in stock. I said, hold those 2. My name is Kyla. Okay, and she held those 2 for me. I appreciate that, lady. And so yeah, now I have my Melanin hair care. I got the African black soap. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is the only thing I have left to try. I got 2 because there was only 2 left in the store and I wanted to. So these retail for $20, I believe. So I paid 40 bucks. I paid like 93 something because I got some other stuff from Tree Hut. If you want to see that video, go ahead and click that video. But yeah, so this is the Melanin African black soap. Now I have her whole line. I have her oil, I have her leave-in, and I have her curling cream. So yes, and I have both of these. So this is with revitalizing tea tree, soothing turmeric, and black cumin seed. Okay, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, no phthalates, and no formaldehydes. I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say that at all. And it says, a shampoo like no other. I hope you enjoy the soothing and refreshing instant lather from our African black soap reviving shampoo with nutrient-rich cocoa and shea butters alongside nourishing and healing oils including argan, tea tree, black cumin, rosemary, peppermint, and turmeric root extract, to name a few. This rich shampoo is designed to cleanse your hair and scalp without stripping away your beneficial natural oils, so that you are left with hydrated, bouncy, defined, healthy hair. I hope it helps. XO. And this has her little signature. I love this. Like, I love her packaging. Like, oh my god, it's so big. And just now this is a natural shampoo, y'all. So $20, I wasn't tripping. You know what I'm saying? I really wasn't tripping. You can actually make this as well, but I just wanted to buy the store brand version because, you know, it has the stuff to make it for shelf life, if that makes sense. Like, if you make African black soap, it's not gonna last that long, you know, but this has shelf life, so I can just store it. And let me see, yep, 12 months shelf life, y'all. Okay, so how to use with hair applied to the scalp, work into a lather. Y'all know how to do that. So ingredients, let's see, water, shea butter, cocoa, all right, peppermint, vitamin B5, lavender oil, tea tree, okay, rosemary, leaf oil, all right, argan, kernel oil, okay, black cumin seed oil, all right, turmeric root extract, and charcoal powder, y'all. So that's what this is. So this is the unboxing. I cannot wait to try these. Okay, be sure to stay tuned because I just did my hair, y'all. I just did my hair with the Melanin line, but next week I'm going to shampoo my hair again because next week is when my hair is going to be dirty. Okay, yeah. And I'm going to use these products, so stay tuned for this video, y'all. I'm going to do my little shampoo routine in the shower, my little wash day, and do the whole thing all over again with the Melanin products because I love the Melanin products. When I tell y'all, I actually went to the Melanin because I wanted to get another leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioner was sold out, and I went to 2 Ultas. So I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm done. So yeah, this was the only thing in stock, and there was a curling cream, but it was 1, and I was like, y'all tripping, like, for real. But yeah, y'all, so Melanin is sold out. Okay, sold out. Believe the hype. This shit is good. Okay, believe the hype. And all her stuff is worth the hype. You know what, I haven't even tried it, and I already know it's worth the hype. Like, hold on, let me smell. Oh, I can't smell nothing because the thing is, hold on. You know what, I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna just, ooh, that smells divine. That smells really, really good. All right, so yeah, I already know I'm gonna have fun with these. My wash day is finna be so therapeutic for me. All right, y'all, so that is it. If you can, get your hands on some Melanin hair care if you can, because they sold out, baby. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Roll to 1,000 subscribers, baby. We're gonna roll to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for all your comments, all your love, all your support. Thank you so much. Y'all just don't know how much it means to me. And I will see y'all in my next video. Oh, hold on. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kaya Latrice. Okay, the same as my YouTube channel, girl. Get in touch with me. Kaya Latrice. And get you some Melanin hair care. Like, get you some Melanin hair care. And I've been outside. Get you some Melanin hair care, y'all. If you can. Okay. Bye.